Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to deactivate Facebook account in mobile app. Before start the video, I will request you, please subscribe us and press the bell icon to get all notifications about our latest videos. First of all, I will open my FB account. Click on this 3-line menu. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Scroll down and click on Account Ownership and Control. Then click on Deactivation and Deletion. Now you have two options here. First one is Deactivate account, second one is Delete account. If you select Delete account, then your account will be deleted permanently. I want to disable my account, so I will select first option, click on Continue to Account Deactivation. Enter your FB password and click on Continue. Now you need to choose what is the reason for deactivation. I will choose first one. This is a temporary deactivation. Click on Continue. You can set your reactivation date using here. Then click on Continue. If you tick on this checkbox, you can keep using Messenger. If you tick on this checkbox, you can receiving future notification from FB. Click on Continue. Now you can see here, your account deactivation successful. You have to make sure if you log into your deactivated account, then it will activate again. So thank you so much for watching, and if you face any kind of problem, then please let me know. I will try my best to help you. I will put all the details in the description, so check on the description. Thanks for watching. If you are thinking this video will be helpful for you, please hit the like button. So don't forget to subscribe us and tell us your opinion in the comment section below. It will be very useful for me. So I will see you guys in my next video. Have a nice day.